In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your global color styles and palette in Figma. As we walk through this process, it will become clear how you can create a cohesive design system that reflects your unique brand identity efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to head over to the Figma website. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's powerful and user-friendly. By creating a consistent color palette, you're setting the groundwork for streamlined and visually appealing design projects. Once you've arrived at the Figma homepage, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login option at the top right corner. Go ahead, enter your credentials and click on the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. This area gives you a great overview of your recent projects and is a fantastic hub for managing your designs. What you want to do next is navigate to the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. In this space, you can manipulate and manage your visual elements, ensuring they're aligned with your project goals. Now let's focus on styles, which are essential for maintaining a consistent look across your design work. Click on the Styles tab. This section is key as it allows you to organize and apply consistent styling across your designs. Styles in Figma are reusable attributes like colors, text, and effects. As we focus on color styles today, proceed by clicking on the Color tab. This will bring you into the Color Management section where you can view and edit your existing colors. We're now at the exciting part, creating a new color style. Under the Color section, find and select the option to create a new color style. Introducing new color styles is like building your foundation. It helps maintain consistency and saves you time in the long run. When you create a color style, consider naming it something intuitive, like brand primary blue or secondary green. That way you can easily identify it in the future. Once your new color style is created, you can begin using it across your design elements, such as backgrounds, text, and icons. The advantage of using global color styles is that if you ever need to change the color later, you can do so across your entire project just by updating the style once. This flexibility ensures your designs are adaptable and easily updated. And that wraps up our tutorial on setting up your global color styles and palette in Figma. By following these steps, you're creating a strong design system foundation that promotes visual consistency and efficiency within your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing in Figma.